I wonder where Pocoyo is today. Oh, Pocoyo! Oh, my, Pocoyo, you did give me a fright. Oh, I see. It's your new game, is it? Very funny. Now, where's he gone? Oh, you got me again! I didn't see that coming. Oh. What is it you're planning now? But, Pocoyo... I think Pocoyo would like all of you to say boo along with him. Ready? 1, 2, 3... Now, Pocoyo, not everyone likes to play boo. You're not going to boo Lula too, are you?
No.
Oh, good. Oh, dear. Oh, poor Lula. Pocoyo, you're not thinking of... Oh... You want Pocoyo to boo you again? You certainly are enjoying yourself, aren't you? Now, Pocoyo, you know how sensitive Pato is. Perhaps you shouldn't... Oh, Pato, that was frightening. Oh, dear. All clear. Whew, that's the ticket. A nice, relaxing shower. The bottom of the sea. You should be able to get some peace and quiet here, Pato. Oh, how exhausting. Ah, yes. Water. Now, Pocoyo, don't you think you're taking this just a little too far?
Me? No.
Oh, poor Pato. Can any of you tell Ellie why Pato is so frightened?
Scared him. Okay, you scared him.
You want all of us to say boo? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Pocoyo, it's important to be a good sport. If you are going to boo, then you have to let others boo too. Being booed is not so bad. In fact, it can be rather fun. Pato, you can boo too. You scared me that time. Hooray for Pocoyo, hooray for Pato, and hooray for games. Boo! Ha-ha! Hello, Pocoyo.
Hello?
What are you making, Pocoyo? What is it?
Monster!
Oh, goodness! That is a very scary drawing, Pocoyo. It really gave me a fright. What are you going to do with that monster?
Boo!
You're going to scare people. Who?
Friends!
Oh, look, there's Ellie. Hello, Ellie. Ellie, look, a monster. Ah, yes, and some blue legs. Yes, you spotted those. Do any of you think Ellie is really frightened of the monster? You're right. She's pretending. Now, don't be upset, Pocoyo. Your monster really is scary. Oh, terrifying.
Help! Help! Monster! 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 Help! Monster!
Perhaps you should go and see, Pato. Maybe there really is a monster.
Help! Help! Run away, Pato! Escape!
It seems Pato is hard to scare too.
Silly box!
Now, Pocoyo. Oh my! No, this isn't looking good. Pocoyo's box has landed on Sleepy Bird. Ellie, Pato, that's not Pocoyo. Believe me. Can any of you help here? Is that Pocoyo inside the box?
No! Pocoyo isn't in the box.
Oh, poor Sleepy Bird. I bet you'd like to get out of that box. I'm sure your friends would help you, but they think you're a monster. What's that, Sleepy Bird? Since everyone thinks you're a monster, you'll be a monster. Oh. dear. What is that ringing? It's the telephone.
Hello? Pato?
I wonder. I think Baby Bird is onto something. Yes, Baby Bird, that is Sleepy Bird in the box. Thank goodness you worked it out. Pocoyo, Ellie, Pato, there's no need to be frightened. It isn't really a monster. Can all of you tell them who's in the box?
Sleepy Bird's in the box.
So you see, your monster wasn't a monster at all. It was just Sleepy Bird all along. Oh, gosh. Oh, I see. What fun. You've all got scary boxes of your own. Hooray for scary faces. Hooray for friends. Bye-bye. Off for an adventure in outer space. Hello, Pocoyo. Hello, Pato.
Hi.
What's that, Pato? You want to drive the Vamoosh? Oh dear, Pato. Can all of you tell Pato to be careful?
Be careful, Pato.
Maybe that piece wasn't very important. Then again, maybe it was. No! It looks as if you'll just have to find that missing piece of the Vamoosh.
That way.
It looks like Pato wants to search in the other direction, Pocoyo. What was that? Pato heard a very strange sound, Pocoyo. Perhaps it was just your imagination, Pato. It wasn't your imagination at all. It's an alien. Pocoyo doesn't believe that Pato saw an alien, let's all tell Pocoyo that we saw it too.
Yes! There really is an alien. Pato! Careful!
Can any of you tell Pocoyo where the alien is? Why? It's the missing part of the Vamoosh. That's why he was chasing you, Pato. He only wanted to give it back. Watermelon? Your favourite, Pato. It looks as if you've made a very special friend, Pato. Fly back home. It's nearly nap time. Don't worry, Pato. You can visit your new friend another day. You only need to improve your driving skills just a tad. How nice. Hooray for Pato! Hooray for Pocoyo! And hooray for making new friends! Hello! What's that sound? Hello? Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Oh, no, of course, I understand. You weren't frightened. Not a bit, no. So, where are you off to? You're looking for Pocoyo's world? Really? Well, we know how to get to Pocoyo's world. Why, certainly. We'd be happy to show you the way. What's so funny? Nothing? Right, well, can all of you tell the alien the way to get to Pocoyo's world?
That way! Follow the arrow!
Yes, it's that way. Follow the arrow. Have a safe trip. Here we are. By the way, you do come in peace, don't you? No? Oh, dear. Oh, no. Seems like the alien has an evil plan for taking over Pocoyo's world. Oh, but look, he's only little. Oh, how cute. Caterpillar says, "Thanks for the hat, Mr. Alien." The alien says he's here to be king, Caterpillar, not to make hats. Pocoyo? I want to introduce you to this little alien who's come here to...
Play!
Not exactly. It seems he's here to make himself king of your planet.
Ellie!
Hello, Ellie. Can any of you tell Ellie and Pocoyo where that sound is coming from?
From the alien who stepped on him.
Yes, that's right. Oh, dear. There you are. Oh, dear. Squished. Ah, good as new. Oh. Maybe you'd like to play a little before you conquer the planet, Mr. Alien? Oh, dear. Pato, the alien says he commands you to move those flowers to the left. Pato agrees, little alien. The flowers do look much nicer there. He's happy you told him what to do. You say that's your side of the fence, and no one is allowed to go over there? Look, you can all have fun jumping. Look out, Ellie! The alien is trying to scare you, Ellie. Oh, and now the little toy cannon is broken. Oh, no, little alien, don't. It's not that bad. Maybe you should stop conquering for a while and just be friends. We'll be your friends, as long as you're friendly, right? Will you be friends with the alien if he's friendly?
We'll be your friend. We like you, little alien.
All you have to do is be friendly. Oh, now that's better. You may not have conquered the world, little alien, but you have certainly conquered our hearts. Hooray for playing nicely! Hooray for new friends!